If you need boiler repair, Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment is a great company to call. Whether you're in the Los Gatos, California area or the neighboring cities, you can count on our top-notch boiler service. To keep your system running smoothly and dependably all year round, our trained staff focuses on boiler maintenance, repairs, and installs. Are you looking for a plumber near me? You can stop looking. You found Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment. Is boiler servicing required to maintain the warranty? Yes, regular boiler servicing is often required to maintain the manufacturer's warranty. Many boiler manufacturers stipulate that the system must be serviced annually by a qualified professional to keep the warranty valid. At Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment, we recommend scheduling a service every year to ensure your boiler runs efficiently and to avoid voiding any warranties. Can a boiler service prevent costly repairs in the future? Yes, regular boiler servicing can help prevent costly repairs in the future. At Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment, we conduct thorough inspections and maintenance to identify potential issues early on, such as worn-out parts, leaks, or inefficiencies, before they escalate into major problems. By addressing these minor issues during a service, we can extend the lifespan of your boiler and ensure it operates at peak efficiency, ultimately saving you money on expensive repairs or replacements. What is your service area? Our Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment serve the following California locations: Soquel, Aptos, Santa Cruz, Scotts Valley, Watsonville, Los Gatos, Morgan Hill, Saratoga, Campbell, Marina, Gilroy, Cupertino, Pacific Grove, San Jose, Seaside, California. Where is your Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment office located? We are located at 820 Bay Avenue, Suite 221, Capitola, California 95010, United States. Our phone number is 831-744-7215. Visit our website, https://santacruzplumbingrepair.com/capitola-plumbing-draining-water-heater-repair/